researches, showing you the bad sides of why you should. Hello guys and welcome to AI Plus More, and in this video I'll be showing you how you can block any explicit websites or any bad websites from your Android phone. So whenever you search up anything again online that is bad for your mental health and mental well-being, your physical well-being, what am I saying? I'm not a psychologist. You won't be able to see them ever again and you will have a new life. Yes. So if you have someone that is addicted to these things, I swear, you get their phone and do what I'm about to show in this video. Alright, let's get into it. Let's say, I'm gonna sacrifice my internet history for this one. Let's say I'm searching up something explicit and I'm just gonna type in okay, so as you can see, it does appear. We have some results here that show up some websites that you can find explicit videos on, and this will be very bad because I'm sure the internet provider will be seeing this, but don't worry, they will only see it once. But that isn't any good either. Okay, what we're gonna do now is head over back to home, and we have to go to settings. Let me tell you that this is actually a very nice solution because it works not only on my phone, which is a Xiaomi phone, but any Android phone that you have, may it be Samsung or Oppo, I don't know, Huawei, whatever. Let's see. Now we have to go to settings. I'm just gonna swipe down and head to the gear button and search up something called private DNS, like I have here on your search bar in your settings. So once you're here, I'm gonna go to private DNS, and we are given these three options: off, auto, or private DNS username. What we're gonna do is click over to private DNS provider hostname, and as you can see, I have something that's already written here. I don't know what this is for. I'm surprised that there is something here, but for the sake of deleting any results pertaining to explicit websites and for the betterment of our minds, especially us men, we have to go and type in adult dash filter dash DNS
2,000 years later.
Anyways, now that we have it here, we should be safe from the grasp of evil. I'll show you what I mean. Let's search it up. And as you can see, when you search it up again, not reload the website, like once you close your Google Chrome and you open it again and try to search it up again, you'll see that what you get instead are not results of explicit websites, but rather researches, showing you the bad sides of why you should not watch these kinds of things. But that's it. It's very simple. I hope this video helped you, and I'll see you in the next one. Please survive, don't get addicted for your own good. Hello guys, once again this is Kim, and I would like to thank you all for watching this video, but don't forget to subscribe to the channel to get more free tutorials for your everyday needs. And come on, once again, let me tell you, it's free, okay? So if you change your mind, you can always unsubscribe later on, but I would suggest not to do that. Please, 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 please.